Tech Wars, Supply Chain Management AI Products and Service. Here are some ideas of AI-based products and services that entrepreneurs and vendors can provide in the supply chain management sector. AI-powered demand forecasting and inventory optimization solutions that help businesses accurately predict consumer demand and optimize their inventory levels for improved supply chain efficiency. Robotic process automation, RPA, systems that automate repetitive tasks in supply chain management, such as order processing, invoicing, and data entry, reducing errors and increasing productivity. AI-driven predictive maintenance systems that analyze real-time data from machinery and equipment to detect potential failures and schedule maintenance proactively, minimizing downtime and optimizing maintenance costs. Smart logistics and route optimization platforms that leverage AI algorithms to optimize delivery routes, reduce transportation costs, and enhance overall logistics efficiency. AI-enabled supplier management tools that evaluate and rank suppliers based on criteria such as performance, reliability, and cost, aiding businesses in making informed decisions and building strong supplier relationships. AI-powered quality control systems that use computer vision and machine learning to identify defects and anomalies in products, ensuring high quality and reducing waste in the supply chain. AI-driven risk management solutions that analyze data from various sources to identify and mitigate risks in the supply chain, such as disruptions, delays, and compliance issues. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants that provide real-time customer support and order tracking, improving communication and enhancing the customer experience in supply chain interactions. AI analytics platforms that mine and analyze large volumes of supply chain data to provide actionable insights for process optimization, cost reduction, and strategic decision-making. AI-driven sustainability and ethical sourcing solutions that help businesses track and optimize their environmental impact, ensure ethical practices in the supply chain, and meet sustainability goals. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. You can take the full AI course at techwars.ai.